Hello, students. Congratulations on completing Broshi. I think you did a great job taking our completely broken and unplayable game in Lesson 1 and bringing it all the way over to here, to our final finished game, which is, truthfully, very fun and very addicting. You may find yourself saying, okay, so we made this game together. Now, what else can I do? I can play the game, but I still want to code. So in this video, I want to give you some of your own ideas of systems that you could implement into your game to make it feel a little bit more like your own. So let's head to the computer screen and take a look. So here I have our final version of Broshi. So we've got all of our systems in place. I've got that soft drop where I can make the blocks fall faster. I've got particles exploding with a hit freeze for a Broshi sandwich. I got those pesky blocker blocks. I've got scoring systems and time systems and all that great things. Now, my first idea here was you could add a new block type with maybe special abilities. So you could create blocks such as bomb blocks, or maybe the bomb blocks clear all nearby blocks within a given range. Or you could create a rainbow block that matches with any color. So it could be like a wild card. And I think this is a natural extension of what we have here because we already have block spawning and types and colors and our landing logic that can be expanded with new behaviors. The next idea that I had was maybe you want to change the visual style and theme of the game. So you could redesign the game by changing the colors or adding some gradients or creating like a completely new theme, like maybe space or candy or something neon. And this fits well because the game already uses centralized colors. We have lots of constants for that, so you can just change them in your student edit zone, and drawing functions that will make our visual changes sort of easy to apply here. Can I get that? Oh, look at that. That was perfect. I got that just in time. All right, the next system that I thought we could do is add a sort of combo or streak scoring system. So we could reward consecutive clears by increasing a multiplier that boosts score for each successful chain of actions. So right now in this drop, I have a clear, so that works. And in this drop, I'm going to get another clear, so we could keep that streak going. And in this drop, I will get another clear and another clear. But in this drop, oh, I missed that clear, so that combo system could reset. And I think this works well because our game already tracks scoring events, block clearing, making it easy to layer in additional reward logic. Next, we could always add power-ups. I love power-ups. I think they're so great. You could introduce abilities such as clearing an entire column or slowing down time or removing all blockers from the game. This is feasible because the game already includes input handling, timers, multiple gameplay systems that can be modified with a power-up. Maybe you have a power-up that is only triggered if it's inside of a Broshi sandwich. It will get rid of all blockers. I really like that system as an idea here. And then lastly, we could create a level progression system. A level progression system that could be used that sort of resets our level after reaching a certain score or a timer goal with increased difficulty or new potential rules added to each round. This works well because our game already features, systems that track time, our difficulty ramp, and game states that can be extended into a structured progression system. So those were some of the ideas that I had when I thought, what else would I add to Broshi to take it to the next level? And maybe you want to run with these and turn this game that we built together into something that is all your own. Because in the end of the day, it's not about playing games, it's about making games. So I hope you enjoyed this course, and I'll see you in the next video.